Hey everybody, today is December 10. I'm going to show you how to do the homework. For some students, the homework is easy. For other students, the homework is difficult. That's okay. We are all different. Of course, find the homework on WhatsApp. Right? Find WhatsApp on your phone. Open WhatsApp. And in WhatsApp, look for the group English 2. Find the group English 2. Okay. And then always you need to go up and find the homework. Look for the day from the last class. So today, right, is December 10. Oh, we see homework 2. Okay, we know there's also homework 1 of 3. So maximum 3. It's easier now in this video. I will show you on my computer. So right now, this is in the group in WhatsApp. Right, we want to go up in the group and find, oh, here's homework December 10, so the last class. Right? So all this homework, we have 3 homework parts. Homework 1 of 3, homework 2 of 3, and homework 3 of 3. Finish all of this before the next class. The next class is Tuesday, December 15. Alright, so you have 4 or 5 days. The weekend. But I know some people are busy, so if you are busy, find 1 hour. Find that time. Or maybe 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Whatever you need. So homework 1 is watch a video again. So we go down and we find, oh, here's the video. Right? Grammar video, watch the video again, focus on the last 4 minutes. So we need to open the video in YouTube and watch the video. That's homework 1. I took a photo so you can see, oh, here's a picture, photo of the most important part about Lucy wants a boyfriend and advice. So this is a good example. Because homework 2, right? Homework 2 is write dating advice for Lucy. Use first, then next after that. Okay? Write this on paper, send it to me and WhatsApp. For example, you can see I wrote an example. Lucy wants a boyfriend. First, talk to your friends, ask them, what is my best qualities? Then download a dating app like Tinder or Bumble. After that, make a profile with good photos and words. Next, look for men on the app, but only talk to the men who are kind and respectful. Finally, maybe talk to some men on the phone or meet them at a cafe or bar. This is my opinion, my example. Maybe you have a different idea. Maybe your idea is talk to your family or talk to friends, or I don't know, there's so many ways. If you don't like dating, you don't like this topic, choose a different topic. What is your advice for maybe how to find an apartment in Boston, or how to find a house, or maybe how to find a job, how to make food, anything with steps. You can change the homework if you want to. Or if you like the homework, you like the idea of dating advice, but writing is difficult, send me a message. Tell me. I can help you. Maybe we can call on the phone and you can speak with me. We can do different ways. I want you to practice next. Then, after that, finally. Okay? And the last one. Some students you finished. writing about your favorite song. Other students, no, you didn't finish yet. It's okay, I understand. Some students have big problems in their lives right now. You are sick, or somebody in your family is sick, or somebody in your family passed away. If you have big problems like this, relax, don't worry. Do this homework later. After 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month. Up to you. But other students, please finish the homework. The homework is not optional in this class because we have only 2 hours on Zoom. We need 1 hour of homework for this class. Okay? And here I have a schedule for speaking about what is your favorite song in the class after the break. Alright, sound good? If you need any help, send me a message, call me. I'm here to help you. Alright, have a good weekend. I wish you the best. Good luck.